I do pro bono work on behalf of children because it is so fulfilling. There is just nothing more satisfying than working with children who believe that they have no power at all and teaching them that they do have a voice and that they can use that voice to make their own circumstances better.
The impression that Pat has made on me is profound. She does what lawyers should do. She has a tremendous dedication to her clients, a tremendous empathy, and she stays with it. No client could ask for more than their lawyer than Pat gives these children.
My firm has supported my pro bono efforts completely.
We've been involved with the Children's Law Center for a substantial period of time. Our whole pro bono program is centered around children.
Pat has made wonderful contributions to Children's Law Center of Minnesota by accepting cases, by representing children, and listening to their voice, and being a very strong advocate for them in court.
My most satisfying accomplishment in this pro bono work representing children, and I want to believe I have at least some small share of responsibility for this, is that every one of the children that I've worked with has been able to find somebody to love them.
Pat has volunteered over 800 hours representing adolescents, frequently on custody decisions and adoption matters. Under state law, these adolescents would not otherwise have had an attorney.
One of the clients I worked with was Tina, who's currently age 20. I started working with Tina when she was age 13.
My brother and sister were being taken away and moved out of state to an adoptive placement. I was upset because I didn't want to lose them because they were all that I had.
My goal for her was to keep her in contact with her brother and sister, who were the only remaining people in her nuclear family, and to help her to find a living situation that would work for her.
Pat has stayed involved in other aspects of Tina's life, acting as a mentor and helping Tina with her education.
I got better in school and I graduated. That was a really big deal in my family because I was the first one to graduate in my family from high school.
My goal is to be in it for the long haul, to see the child through that proceeding, and hopefully to be available to the child as a resource when the proceeding is ended.
Pat deserves this award. She really embodies, I believe, all the things that Ann Liechty stood for.
She stays with these children through difficult times, and she shares with them the good times. But most importantly, she listens and puts herself in their shoes and serves their interests.
The work I do as a lawyer directly for a child gives that child a voice, and I believe that that is what we owe to these children.